excellent service, timely response, incomparable experience for customers. We are the Bansal Group, a 35-year-old young company, and are made up of Bansal Pharmachem Private Limited for CNF operations, Bridge Satya Associates for CNF and CWH operations, Bridge Mohan Bansal Medicare Logistics Private Limited for central warehousing operations and working at Meerut and a branch in Agra. We have a total of 500 dedicated staff, 3 central warehouses for Mankind Pharma Limited, Koei Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Seagull Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, 1 sample warehouse for Mankind Pharma Limited, and a consolidated turnover of 1,000 crores from only CNF operations over 21 companies and dealing with 2,500 stockists.
We hope that our zeal and our dedicated efforts towards clients have showcased our intentions and vision.
We are now entering into CNF operations. Our group companies, BPPL and BSA, have a service of clearing and forwarding agents. We truly understand the essence of time and have specialists that can understand our 1,000 plus stockists' needs and offer solutions accordingly through UP West and some services in UP East. With a branch in Agra, we serve UP Central. It coordinates all dispatches in line with client-instructed job orders for goods. With quality control at each step, we pride ourselves at the detailed work carried out by our personnel. With immaculate handover and takeover, efficient handling is something we are brilliant at. Errors, if any, are resolved within 24 hours. A prompt reply and a concrete action differentiates us from other companies.
With our history of specialized service and expertise, we have the necessary know-how as our expert carefully cater to your project dynamics and maintain product integrity while balancing distribution speed and cost efficiency.
We believe that swift action and respect for time maximizes our efforts in the direction of our aim. Any order received before 5:30 p.m. is catered to at all levels by our systems, actively and accurately, and is delivered in 24 hours. Sector-wise transporters are worked with to increase speed and accuracy. With due importance to each stakeholder and client, we have dedicated cabins for each client. With complete services and fully air-conditioned, these cabins make work efficient and organized. EPBAX, hospitality and clerical services are all available in the cabins to facilitate ease of business. With committed space for each client, we have different areas earmarked for different clients. With specialized personnel for various services in dedicated roles for each client, we know what it takes to be devoted to our clients. Goods are placed on pallets and kept at least 1 foot away from the wall to protect them from wall radiation and humidity. All goods are stacked only to a maximum of 6 feet, marked by a red bar on the wall. All godowns have surveillance cameras and 24/7 security guards. In the storage area, specific goods that require special care are maintained below 25 degrees temperature with due dedication. The dispatch order of the goods is packed in customized corrugated boxes with accurate labeling. This eases and enables tracking of transporter from dispatch to receipt at the stockists. This also helps the transporter to determine his destination without any confusion. Also, the tracking of the bills becomes more accurate and precise. This process is repeated in the same way for all clients, thereby ensuring complete efficiency and precision. Mankind Pharma Limited, Magnet Labs Private Limited, Mankind Life Sciences Private Limited. We have a host of other major clients like Koei Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. We have both CNF and CWH facilities for Koei Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Acumentis Healthcare Limited, Centaur Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited, Apex Laboratories Private Limited, Vanbury Limited, Psychotropics India Limited, Oaknet Healthcare Private Limited, Forts India Laboratories Private Limited, Manish Pharmaceuticals Limited, Pharma Nova Specialities Private Limited, Seagull Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. We have both CNF and CWH facilities for Seagull Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, United Biotech Private Limited, OldMed Healthcare Private Limited, Godres Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Asca Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Bioorganics Private Limited, Uric Pharmaceutical Private Limited, Agnivesh Ayurved Healthcare Private Limited, Umano Healthcare Private Limited, Winmark Healthcare Private Limited. Now we are entering into samples and promotional goods distribution services for Mankind Pharma Limited. We have a dedicated section that takes care of delivering samples as instructed by our head office to over 1,500 medical representatives. This is facilitated through a large warehouse of 50,000 square feet with a staff of over 80 people for this service.
Being open to new ideas and inviting feedback of any form help us to grow professionally.
So the feedback system was introduced to help us understand how to serve our clients in a better and more constructive manner. Each department has to be accountable for this. A monthly review of the same is conducted without fail. Our goal is to create just the right solutions for all our clients so that their cost efficiency goes up each time. No wonder then that each step of BPPL and BSA's services are audited from arrival to dispatch of the goods.
Our goal is to create the right solution so that the cost efficiency goes up each time.
Our central warehousing operations are managed by Brij Mohan Bansal Medicare Logistics Private Limited for Mankind Pharma Limited and by Brij Satya Associates for Koei Pharmaceuticals Private Limited and Seagull Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. With a trained and dedicated experienced staff of over 140, we leave no stone unturned to go beyond our clients' expectations. The central warehousing operations take place from a 250,000 square feet area. It has 2 buildings, an open yard, 8 bays for loading and unloading with mechanical conveyor belts and cargo lifts. It has a huge capacity of 50 trucks in and out each day, along with an emergency bay for loading and unloading. This is to reduce pressure during peak hours. The facility has over 10,000 fiber pallets to keep the goods safe. The whole building is equipped with fire detection alarms and fire suppression tools and equipment. Generators with a duty standby ensure uninterrupted power supply to maintain operations without any disruptions. An extensive camera system keeps surveillance on 24/7. This helps with the materials to flow in and out seamlessly. Added to this, the security tower helps us to keep a watch on all the happenings and observe the facility. Any inappropriate action can be monitored from above and taken care of immediately. During the course of 2022, over 4 million cases were dispatched, exceeding 3,000 trucks. The service has a policy of goods received the same day and a maximum of 48 hours for dispatch of delivery orders. The CWH is a perfect example of enhanced efficiency for logistics operations through outsourcing. The group, with its persevering and dedicated team of over 400 people under the able guidance of Mr. Sanjay Bansal, is all geared to undertake any challenges that come its way. We at the Bansal Group thank each and every one of our clients with heartfelt gratitude. We believe that being honest in our business endeavor is a tool to enhance credibility and reliability. It forms the core of our values, and we are sure this is what helps us deliver excellent quality with unending commitment. The vision of our company is to become the first choice of our existing clients as well as forecasted clients. backed by a team of veterans along with young minds that have come together to create a new and dynamic reality for pharma companies.
We ensure you that our passion and enthusiasm is as strong as our long-lasting relationship.
We at Bansal Group work as a family and not as a workforce, imbibing the values of integrity, accountability and social responsibility are what we truly believe in. We sincerely request you to visit our business locations and consider our services of CNF, CWH and sample distribution. This will not only lower your overheads but also enhance efficiency of your distribution. We ensure exceptional quality, on-time delivery and maximum satisfaction.